Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At the section today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry, worksheet number 4, so which is a part of 9th class mathematics. So let's get started. Question number 1. So the area of the triangle whose vertices are 4, 4, 3, minus 16, 3, minus 2. Options. Option A 14, option B 7, option C 28, option D none of these. It is not a none of these. So question what I am asking, so these three are coordinates of three vertices of a triangle. So clearly we need to understand what is the main basic formulas of area of triangle in coordinate system. So already explained in my first class. So once I explain that. So here what I am taking, ABC is a triangle. So A coordinates what I am taking, x1, y1, B coordinates x2, y2, C coordinates x3, y3. Am I clear? So ABC is a triangle. So how to find area of triangle? So half into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is area of triangle formula. So it is a lengthy process actually. This by using the first formula, area of triangle. So given coordinates of A, B, C vertices, so we will get answer. That is a lengthy process. So what is the easiest form? So this is it can be written in a matrix form, nothing but we are going to write in a determinant form. So half into x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. So here it can be divided into 4 parts. So x1 minus x2 what I am taken, A, y1 minus y2 B, x1 minus x3 C, y1 minus y3 D. So this is a det formula. So what is the det formula? AD minus BC. So left cross, nothing but so diagonals, AD taken first minus BC. Am I clear? This is a determinant form. So determinant shortcut form is det. So det A, B, C, D formula AD minus BC. So by using the second form or nothing but by using the second form, so answer we can obtain the answer easily. Am I clear? So this is very important formula actually for getting the area for triangle in the coordinate system. Am I clear? So let's get started. Question number 1. Area of the triangle whose vertices are 4, 4, 3, minus 16, 3, minus 2. So here what I am given? So 3 vertices given. So whose coordinates, x coordinates here 4, 4, y coordinate. So 4, 3 are x coordinates, 4 minus 16 minus 2 are y coordinates. So here what I am taken, x1, y1. So first it will be considered as A, okay? A coordinates what I am getting, 4, 4, x1, y1. B coordinates, x2, y2. And C coordinates, x3, y3. Am I clear? So by using the first formula, so you can apply 2 formulas. So what is the first formula? Area of triangle equals to area of triangle equals to half into mod x1 comma y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is a formula. So those values, so directly substitute in that equation, we will get area of triangle. So half mod into, so half into mod x1. What is x1 value? 4. 4 into y2 minus y3. What is y2 value? Minus 16. Minus y3, minus into minus plus, minus 2 plus 2. Again plus x2 value 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus 2 minus y1 value 4 plus x3 3 into y1 value 4 minus y2 16 minus into minus plus 16. So therefore it can be written 1 by 2 mod, so 4 into minus 16 plus 2 minus 40 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 3 into 4 plus 16 20 So it can be written again 1 by 2 mod 4 into minus 14 minus 56 plus into minus 3 into 6 18. This is 3 into plus 3 into 20 60. So what you are getting, half into mod. So minus 56 minus 18 plus 60. So what is the value? So minus 56 plus 60 plus 4, nothing but minus 14. Minus 14. So mod minus 14, it can be written as positive 14 because so the area of the triangle always you can say positive integer. So if you got negative value, it will be converted to mod minus 14, nothing but 14, positive 14. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. What is answer? 7 units. Option B is the right answer. So this is first formula. So what is the shortcut formula? So determinant formula. It can be written in determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. So nothing but it is a det formula, AD minus BC. So we can apply the second method also for that question. So you will get the same answer. So what is the formula? Again, area of the second method. So this is a shortcut method, just like a shortcut. So what is the formula? Area of triangle equals to half into, it will be taken in matrix formula, okay, half x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. This is the formula. So it can be written half into, so x1 minus x2, what is x1 value? x1 4, x2 3, 4 minus 3. y1 minus y2, y1 4, y2 minus 16, 4 minus 16 plus 16, minus into minus plus 16. x1 minus x3, x1 4 into, okay, 4, x1 minus x3 3, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Am I clear? So 4 minus 3. x1 minus x3, 4 minus 3. y1 minus y3, 4 minus 2 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. So this is a determinant form. Half into, what is the determinant? So you can solve it. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 plus 16, 20. 4 minus 3, again 1. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the det formula? Half into AD minus BC. What is AD value? 1 into 6. 6 minus 1 into 20. So half into, so what is the value? 6 minus 20. Nothing but minus 14. So 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Nothing but minus 7. So if it is asking area of triangle means always you can say positive integer. Nothing but minus 7, nothing but plus 7. So what is the area formula? Plus 7. If you got negative, so it can be written in positive because so area of the triangle always defined as positive integer. Am I clear? Option, which option is right answer? Option B is right answer. So second formula is very easy, just like area of triangle equal to half. So what is the determinant formula? X minus x2, y minus y2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. So AD minus BC, just like that. So AD nothing but this is one of the left diagonal, right diagonal. The difference is det of ABCD. Okay, so let's go to question number 2. The area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma 3, minus 7 comma 5, 3 comma minus 5. Option A 10, option B 15, option C 25, option E none of these. It is not a none of these. Small correction. Am I clear? Yes. So clearly we need to understand, already given 3 vertices coordinates. So let me take in minus 2, minus 3. So clearly we need to understand question what I am asking. Area of the triangle. So it can be, what I am taking, ABC is a triangle. What is the A coordinates here? Minus 2 comma 3. B coordinates minus 7 comma 5. C coordinates 3 comma minus 5. So what I am taking first? This is A coordinates, what I am taking, x1 comma y1. B coordinates, what I am taking, x2 comma y2. C coordinates x3 comma y3. So what is the second formula? Area of triangle equals to determinant. So you can write in determinant formula x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. This is a very easiest method, but before off taken. So off into off determinant x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Off should be taken. So off into off determinant x minus x1, x1 minus x2. What is x1 value? Minus 2. Minus x2, minus into minus plus 7. Okay na? So x1 value minus 2, x2 minus 7, minus into minus plus. y1 3, y2 5 directly minus 5, x1 minus 2, again minus x3 minus 3, y1, what is y1 value? 3, minus y3 minus 5, minus into minus plus 5. So you can write of determinant. So det of minus 2 plus 7 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 3 plus 5 8. So off into, so this is AB CD. Okay, what is the det formula? AD minus BC. So AD minus BC nothing but you can multiply with cross. Okay, 5 into 8, 5 into 8 40, minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. So it can be written off into 30. So 2 how many is a 30? 15. 2 15. The answer is 15. Option B is right answer. Am I clear? So this is a very important question. So by using the second formula, we will get easy that answer. Okay na? So what is the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma 3 and minus 7 comma 5 and 3 comma minus 5 equal to 15. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 3. The area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 5 comma 7, minus 4 comma 5, minus 1 comma minus 5. Option A 24, option B 25, option C 0, option D none of these. So clearly we need to understand. So what I am given here. So 3 vertices of a triangle measures given, x coordinates and y coordinates. So clearly we have to observe what I am asking here, area of the triangle. Area of triangle. What is the formula? According to, you can write in a determinant formula according to matrix off into off. Determinant x1 minus x2. Here y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. This is a formula, very easiest method. If it is asking area of triangle, we should go with that formula. So this is area formula. So already given the vertices, what I am taken. So here first coordinates x1, y1, second coordinates x2, y2, third coordinate x3, y3. Am I clear? So by using the coordinates, directly that coordinates substitute in that following determinant form, you will get answer. So off into, so determinant x1 minus x2, x1 value minus 5, x2 value minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, y1 7, minus y2 minus 5, x1 again x1 minus x2, x1 minus 5, x3 here, x3 nothing but minus, okay, minus 1, y1 minus y3, y1 7 minus y3 plus 5. So it can be written off into minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, 7 minus 5 2, minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, 7 plus 5 12. So this is det ABCD. So what is the formula? So according to matrix method, AD minus BC. So AD. So this is AD, this is a BD. Nothing but we can apply multiplications, nothing but cross multiplication, just like that. Okay, it can be written as off into AD minus BC. What is AD? Minus 1 into 12. So we can apply a cross multiplication directly. So this is a AD, it is a BC. So what is AD value? Minus 1 into 12, minus 12. Again BC, minus BC. BC 2 into minus 6, minus 12, minus into minus plus 12. So what you are getting? So off into 0, nothing but 0. Answer is 0. So which option is right answer? Option C is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 4. The area of the triangle whose vertices are 3a, 0, 0, 3b, a, 2b. Option A 6ab, option B 0, option C 12ab, option D none of these. It is not a none of these. None, nothing but 0. Already given 0 option. So this should be a none of these. Am I clear? So 3 vertices given whose measures are 3a, 0. So nothing but first coordinates 3a, 0, second coordinate 0, 3b, for third coordinates a, 2b. But question what I am asking? Area of the triangle. So by using the second formula, area of triangle equals to, so it can be written in a determinant form according to matrix of determinant that x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. This is a formula. Am I clear? So those values directly put in that equation. Which one? So here 3 vertices given. Those coordinates, let me take in first. This is x1, y1. First coordinates what I am taking? x1, y1. Second coordinates x2, y2. Third coordinate x3, y3. So following coordinates, so directly substitute in that determinant form of into of that x minus x1, x1 minus x2 nothing but 3a minus, what is x2 value? 0. x1 minus x2, right side y1 minus y2, y1 value 0 minus y2 3b. Again x1 minus x3, second row, this is first row, second row x1 minus x3, x1 3a minus x3 a. So y1 minus y3, last one y1 minus y3, nothing but y1 0 minus y3 2b. So it can be written off into of that 3a minus 0 3a minus 3b, this is 3a minus a 2a, 0 minus 2b nothing but minus 2b. So what is the that formula? AD minus BC, nothing but AD is a cross value, cross multiplication difference. Okay, AD minus BC. What is the that formula? Cross multiplication difference. So first one we have to follow left side, left cross minus right cross, nothing but product of left cross minus product of right cross. Am I clear? So it can be written as AD minus BC, just like that, off into what is AD value? 3a minus 3a into minus 2b minus, so AD value minus 6ab. So how will you get minus 6ab? 3a into minus 2b, 3 into 2 6 minus value, that is negative value, minus 3 into 2 6 a into b ab minus what is the BC? Another multiplication, cross multiplication, minus 3b into 2a, minus 3b into 2a value, minus 3b into 2a, what is that? Minus 6ab, minus into minus plus 6ab. So minus 6ab plus 6ab cancel, we'll get 0, off into 0, nothing but 0. It is also 0. Option B is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 5. Determine P so that points be collinear P comma minus 1, comma 2, comma 1 and 4, comma 5. Option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 1, option D none of these. It is not a none of these. Yes. So clearly we need to notice that in that formula what I mentioned, collinear, these 3 given points are collinear, means these 3 points lies in a same straight line, that is called collinear. If it's given collinear points, given points are collinear, the area of the triangle equals to 0. Area of the triangle equals to 0. So what is the formula? Area of triangle equals to, so according to, it can be written determinant formula of into x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. So this is a determinant formula that should be equals to 0 because these 3 points lie in a same straight line, nothing but collinear point, nothing but area of the triangle equal to 0. So here what I am given, so 3 collinear points. So it will be considered as x1 and y1. First point what I am taking, x1, y1. Second one, x2 comma y2. Third one, x3 comma y3. Am I clear? So therefore it can be written half into x1 minus x2. What is x1 value? P minus x2, 2. First row, you can fill the first row in that determinant. X minus x2, x1 minus x2, x1 p minus x2, 2. Y1 minus 1 minus y2. Y2 also 1. Okay, na? Minus 1 minus 1. X1 minus x3. X1 p minus x3, 4. P minus 4. Y1 minus y3. Minus 1 y3 minus 5. The det equals to 0 because given points are collinear. So it can be written half det p minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is p minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 equal to 0. Am I clear? So what is the det formula? AD minus BC. So det formula AD minus BC, that is just like AD, this is BC. AD minus BC, half into AD minus BC equal to 0. So half into AD, nothing but P minus 2 into minus 6. P minus 2 into minus 6. Okay, AD, that is AD minus BC formula, AD minus BC, minus 2 into P minus 4. Minus 2 into P minus 4. Minus 2 into P minus 4. So it can be written as half into, so P minus 2 into minus 6, minus 6 into P, minus 6P, minus 2 into minus 6, so plus 12, minus into minus plus 2 into P, 2P minus 2 into 4, 8. So it can be written nothing but equal to 0 because collinear, nothing but equal to 0. So half into, so here minus 6P plus 2P minus 4P plus 12 minus 8, 4 equal to 0. So according to cross multiplication, 4p plus 4 equal to 0. Am I clear? Therefore, 4p equals to 4. P equals to 4p equal to 4. P equals to 1. What is the answer? P equals to 1. Which option is right answer? First option. Option A is right answer. So if it is given collinear points, what is the formula? Area of the triangle equal to 0. Am I clear? That is very important thoughts. What is the second method? Okay, let me explain second method for that fifth question. So what I am given 3 points be a collinear, nothing but so what is the second method? That is also easy. So what I am given question, so here A, B, C are collinear points, nothing but, so these 3 points lies in a same straight line. That is called collinear. So A, B, C are collinear points. So what is the A coefficient here? A coordinates P comma minus 1. P comma minus 1. B coordinates 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. And C coordinates, what I am given? C coordinates 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. So if it's given collinear points, nothing but slope of AB equals to slope of BC. This is also easy method. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So what is the slope? So slope of the line joining point AB, nothing but it will be considered as a M. M equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a slope formula. It will be denoted as M. Okay, na? Slope of AB formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 by using these two coordinates, A coordinates and B coordinates. So what you are getting? So y2 minus y1. So here what is the y2 value? 1. 1 minus y1 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 whole by x2 minus x1. X2 value 2 minus x1 P. equal to slope of BC, nothing but BC. So the same formula can be used. So BC slope, I will get a slope of BC. Here same y2 minus y1. So say C value y2, x1, x2, y2. So B value what I am taking x1, y1, x1, y1. So y2 minus y1. Here y2 value 5 minus y1 1 whole by x2 minus x1 4 minus 2, x2 minus x1. So this is the required answer. So clearly we need to understand question what I am asking. P value. Am I clear? Yes. So 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. 2 by 2 minus P equal to 5 minus 1 4 by 4 minus 2 nothing but 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So according to cross multiplication, 2 minus P into 1, 2 minus P, here 1 into 1, 1. So therefore P equals to 2 minus 1, 1. What is the P value? 1. This is also very easy. So if it is given collinear points, slope of AB equal to slope of BC taken. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So AB, you can find the slope of AB and the slope of BC. We will get P value directly. So which option is right answer? Option A is right answer. That is the second method. This is a method 1. Area, collinear points nothing but area of a triangle equal to 0. So let's go to question number 6. Determine P so that points be collinear P comma 1, 5 comma 5, 10 comma 7. Option A minus 5, option B 5, option C 5, option D none of these. This is not a none of these. Am I clear? So here what I am given? These 3 points are given points are collinear, nothing but. So these 3 points. So given points actually lie in a same straight line. In a same straight line. So that is called collinear. ABC is a collinear whose coordinates what I am given P comma 1, A coordinates, B coordinates 5 comma 5 and C coordinates what I am given 10 comma 7. Am I clear? P comma 1, 5 comma 5, 10 comma 5. So if it is given collinear points, what I am given the formula? Slope of AB equals to slope of BC. So what is slope? A line connected to points, then the slope equals to formula M equals to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is the slope formula. It can be denoted as M. M equals y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula. So here slope of AB equal to slope of BC. What is the slope? AB slope. By using the formula, so only what I am taken AB in points taken. Here x1 y1, here x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 nothing but what is y2 value? 5 minus y1 1 by x2 minus x1 x2 5 minus x1 P equals to slope of BC. So slope of also you can use the same formula. Here y2 value 7 minus y1 5 by x2 minus x1 nothing but 10 minus 5 x2 minus x1. So it can be written as 5 minus 1 nothing but 4 by 5 minus P equals to this is 2 by 10 minus 5 nothing but 5. 7 minus 5 2 by 5. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. According to cross multiplication, 5 minus P into 1 equal to 5 into 2 10. Therefore P equals to 5 minus 10. Answer is minus 5. So P equals to minus 5. This is the required answer. So which option is right answer? Option A is right answer. Am I clear?